Let's learn how do we divide the number 176 by 2 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 2, so we will consider the number 17. We know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2, so we will bring down this adjacent 6 here. And we know that 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 176 divided by 2 is equal to this number 88. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.